you have heard, the officers who have just been installed assume a solemn spoken vow to perform their duties to the best of their abilities. You believe in the sincerity of that vow. But these officers have the right to believe that you too have assumed an obligation no less real because it is unspoken. They have a right to believe that when you choose them to lead and serve you, you pledge them your strong and faithful support. Without you, they can do little or nothing. With you, they can accomplish great things for your chapter, for the Royal Lodge, and for all of Masonry in your community. May your chapter become as beautiful as the temple, as peaceful as the ark, and as sacred as its most holy place. May your oblations of piety and praise be as grateful as the incense, your love as warm as its flame, and your charity as diffusive as its fragrance, and as constant as the returning wants of the distressed widow and helpless orphan. May your hearts be as pure as the altar, and your conduct as accessible as the offering. May each of you be endowed with every good and perfect gift while traveling the rugged path of life, and finally be admitted within the veil of heaven to the full enjoyment of life everlasting. Companion installing Marshal, you will now make proclamation.
In the name of the most excellent Grand Chapter of Royal Arch Masons of the state of California, I now declare the officers of California Royal Arch Chapter number 1 duly installed in their respective offices.